going to use a bit of char-cloth to light the fire today. Haven't got much left. Put it in there. Should do it. You can see that's caught several sparks. Some shavings on it. I think I've done the final few little touches on the spatula. I'm going to need that for cooking my breakfast in a minute. I still need to do some work on the handle. It's a bit rough, but it's fine for the moment. There's a knot right at the end there, which is a bit awkward. I knew there was a few knots in it, but yeah. So I'm just waiting for some embers to build up on the fire. It's there, and I'm going to start cooking my breakfast. So I'm going to try and make some bannock this morning, bannock bread. I've done it a couple of times before, but I'm no expert, so I'll get stuck in and see how I get on. So I'm going to try for this, is because I need to use my frying pan. I can't really use the tripod, so I bought this with me. It's a bit of weld mesh that's kind of left over from building a kennel for the dogs at home, and yeah, I've cut it to what I think is quite a good size. It's just a scrap left over, so that will just be like a throw down grill, and then I can rest the pan on that. So I just need to level this all out a bit. Let's have a couple of sticks. Hot. Should be pretty good. Try it out. See how quickly this pan heats up. Moment of truth. A little patty in there. Just got to keep it moving. I'll just swap hands. That's quite a good heat, because you don't want it crazy hot, because it just burns it. It just needs some heat to transfer slowly through. It seems to be going quite well. There's a lot of heat coming off of that, so it's not, you don't want flames really. Just got to make sure you keep it moving in the pan, stop it from sticking. Okay, I think that's done. I better hear the sound of the. So I'm gonna just pop that in there, just let it cool down for a bit while I do my bacon, which is the next part. Okay, I've got the bannock, it's going to stay warm in there. I'm going to do my bacon now. Grill back on. Tesco's finest bacon. Spatula's working really nicely. Okay, got my coffee, bacon's just finished cooking, put that off there, and I've got my bannock in here, it's been warming. Let's see how that's doing. Make it open. Wood. Nice, nice and soft in the middle. Lovely. So the final ingredient that really makes this the breakfast of kings is I've forgotten to bring it with me. So I'm just going to have the bacon and the bannock as it is. But that final ingredient is maple syrup. And you just pour it over the bacon and the bannock and tuck in. It's amazing. Highly recommend it. So there we go. That's the breakfast and coffee, and I'm just going to sit here and enjoy this, let the fire go out, and then I'll be packing up. One last thing I wanted to do while I've still got the remains of this fire is just make a bit of char-cloth. I've just pretty much used up the last of it, so I bought some with me in my charring tin, which is just a small tin with about 4mm hole in it, and this is organic cotton, so I'll just put it in there. Enough. lid on. Okay, so it's all in there. And I'm just going to poke it in the fire here. Finish my coffee. That smoke is just the organic material burning off. And what you got to do is just leave it to do that. And when the smoke stops, that's when the char-cloth is done. It's quite a plume there. So once the smoke stops coming out of the tin, it means it's all done. So you just use a stick. That's what I'm going to use. Shout out to Des Catties for this idea. And just use the stick to put it out. And you leave the stick in it. That stops the oxygen from coming. Yeah, you should check out Des Catties on YouTube and Instagram. Does loads of cool bushcraft stuff. So I'm just going to leave that there. The stick's going to stay in the end. Yeah, the stick is supposed to stop the oxygen from getting into the tin, and the cloth would then burn. Peanut's still asleep. Obviously I need to pack everything up. I thought the throw down grill, so that's just a bit of shot. It's weld mesh. You just chuck it down onto your fire, and when you don't have any other method. So yeah, I'm gonna come over here so the sun isn't on our faces. The last look before I pack everything up. Shouldn't take long. I'll stick the camera on. You can watch me pack up, and I'll come back when I'm all done. All right. Right, everything's packed up into the Bergen. The empty pocket, that's my water bottles going in. So look at the char-cloth, see how that went. There we go. It's gone pretty well. Stick the tin back in my rucksack. And the last thing to do is just pour some water on the fire. Make sure that's out. That's out, so I can hold it. Got my 5 temp eggs, although Peanuts had to go at that one. Chewed it up a bit. I'm going to stash these in case I need them for next time. I'll come here again. All packed up, ready to go. Leave no trace. That's where I was. I'll leave the logs there. And the campfire was there. Okay, all done. Hope you enjoyed it, if you've watched this far. If you did, hit the thumbs up and maybe consider subscribing to the channel. But that's me for now. I'm all done. I'm heading back. and I'll catch you again in the next video. Bye bye.